Hello viewers, welcome back to my English class. Now I am explaining past continuous. Past continuous is also a very useful tense, so learn it properly, learn the structure and usage, and it will be very useful for your day-to-day language, day-to-day conversation. Past continuous, the structure. Subject plus be forms was, were plus present participle, that is ing form of verb or fourth form of verb we should use here. Before taking up the structure of past continuous, we should recall present continuous also, so that by comparing both the structures, you can easily remember both the present continuous and past continuous. Present continuous structure: subject, be forms am, is, are plus present participle form plus object. Almost here also the structure is similar. Subject, be forms. In present continuous, am, is, are. In past continuous, was, were. Verb is same. Present participle, fourth form of verb. So, look here. Subject plus be forms. Be forms was, were plus present participle form of verb plus object. Some of you may have a doubt. The tense is past continuous, and how can we use present participle form? Tense is decided by the auxiliaries or be forms was, were. In present continuous, we used am, is, are. I explained it clearly there. In past continuous, was, were. So that is the difference. And the verb forms are same. In all the 12 tenses, we use only 4 forms: present tense form, past tense form, past participle form, and present participle form. So the tense of a sentence is decided by the helping verbs or be forms or have or has something like all the auxiliaries decide the tense of a sentence. So you need not have any sort of confusion in the usage of verb form. Subject, be forms, was, were, present participle form plus object. So take the subjects: I, he, she, it. Noun in singular. With all these, we have to use was. Plus, we can take a verb. Eat plus ing. Eating. Eating some food, something like that. Next, we have to take we, you, they. Noun in plural. With all these, we have to use were. Read plus ing. Reading a book. So, look into the examples. I was eating food. He was eating food. She was eating food. It was eating food. So, past continuous should use was plus ing form. Next year, we were reading a book. You were reading a book. They were reading a book. Children were reading a book. So like that you have to prepare examples. You can practice by writing plenty of examples. And I will give some more examples. Here are some more examples for you. I was driving a car. Was driving. She was cooking food. Was cooking. He was singing a song. Was singing. A man was hunting a fish. Was hunting. We were making a boat. Were making. You were reading newspaper. Were reading. They were swimming in the river. So were swimming. So that is the verb pattern. Look here, the structure. Subject, be forms was, were, present participle form plus object. So this is past continuous and these are the examples. So practice these examples. Learn by heart the structure of the tense and practice these examples again and again until you get command. Now we will take up the negative form and interrogative form together. Now interrogative form and negative form. I explained in all the other tenses how to make interrogative form and negative form. So same is the case here also. We have to bring was or were before the place of the subject. So first interrogative form. Was or were plus subject plus present participle form plus object if necessary you can use. This is first type of question. Next, second type of question, that is WH question. WH word plus was or were plus subject plus sometimes subject may be absent. Present participle plus object. So this is the interrogative pattern of past continuous, and we can take the negative form also. Subject plus was, were plus not plus present participle. Form plus object. So this is the negative form. You can take one example. She was preparing a new dish. She was preparing a new dish. Simply change the place of was. Was she preparing a new dish? Another question. What was she preparing? What was she preparing? Who was preparing? So that is the question form. And negative form. She was not preparing a new dish. So this is the interrogative form and negative form like this. I will give two more examples. Other examples. He was painting a picture. So this is affirmative sentence. Past continuous. You have to make it interrogative first and next negative. So interrogative, very easy. So was must be placed before this subject. So was he painting a picture? Was he painting a picture? So whenever we begin the sentence like this, was in past continuous, don't forget using ing form. That is present. Was he painting a picture? Other question. What was he painting? And of course the answer, he was painting a picture. But to this question, was he painting a picture? Answer only yes, no. Because it's a yes, no question. yes, or you can say no. So, what was he painting? And the answer must be in a complete sentence. He was painting a picture. Next, negative sentence. He was not painting a picture. He was not painting a picture. So, take this sentence also. They were searching for their missing dog. So, simply change the place of were. Were they searching for their missing dog? So this is interrogative sentence, of course. Yes, no. Answer should be. Other question. WH by using WH word. WH question. What were they searching? Don't stop the sentence. What were they searching for? Take that preposition also, because search is followed by for. So what was they searching for? Answer, they were searching for their missing dog. And the negative form, easier one. They were not searching for their missing dog. They were not searching for their missing dog. So, in this manner, you have to practice making negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Making a negative sentence may not be difficult because simply by using not you can make a negative sentence, but making an interrogative sentence is somewhat difficult and you must practice it thoroughly. So, this is the structural aspect of past continuous, and we'll take the uses of past continuous in the next video. Thank you.